How to use ChatGPT to make YouTube content. All right, so the first step is generating your video ideas. You can start by asking ChatGPT for video ideas in your niche. So depending on the kind of niche you're in, that determines the kind of videos and ideas you'd be getting. So let's say I wanted to give me 10 YouTube ideas for food reviews. So that's what I'm going to type in now. Once you have typed it in, go ahead and click on enter, and then it's going to go ahead and generate 10 engaging YouTube video ideas for food reviews. Now, once it's done generating, the next thing you need to do is create a script that you can easily follow. So just ask it to write you a 1 minute tutorial script with timestamps and visuals or expected results. You could either, type that in. Once you have, click on enter, and then it will generate the script based off of how you can create your own content. Now, the next thing is generating your titles and thumbnails. You can then click and ask ChatGPT to generate you 5 viral titles and thumbnail text that you can add to your videos. And then for optimizing your videos for YouTube search engine, you could use ChatGPT to generate descriptions. So just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to. All right, so you can ask it to generate the video description, tags, and keywords for this video, and then hit enter. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily do this.